In this video, I will show you one tool that can boost your mobile photography. Hi everyone! I've been asked on what gear I used on previously posted videos on my channel, so I thought of showing the tool that I use doing two of my videos. This is the Moment 18mm wide-angle lens for mobile phone. It can be mounted on iPhone, Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel. Right out of the box, it comes with the microfiber bag that you can keep the lens nice and clean inside, and it comes also with the lens cap. This is the version 2 of the wide-angle 18mm lens, which has been released newly this year. The glass on this lens is high quality and gives you good results in photos and videos. In order to mount the lens on your mobile phone, you need the battery case. That Moment designed for different phones depends on the brand you use. You can see how easily it can be mounted on the cover or the battery case, and it's very slim that it will not affect the weight or the size of your mobile phone. This test shows the field of view, how it becomes wider whenever you mount the lens on top of your mobile phone. It changes the view immediately and gives you wider range, wider angle that you can use for vlogging, for landscaping. I also linked two of my videos I made with this lens, one during daylight and one at night, to show you what you can do with this lens. And the rest, of course, depends on your creativity, imagination.